What up, people? Update on Bitcoin. I got y'all on the daily, and like I mentioned in my last video, that it's very possible that we could be in the zone. And look at what we see. We're still in this exact same zone I said in my last video. Because the Bitcoin tends to do that sometimes. It's like, they like messing with us basically. I mean, it's a mental game. We all know that by now, you know what I mean? But anyways, we get down here and we're stuck below the 100, but we about to break through now though. And I'm gonna show y'all why. 4 hour. Like I always tell y'all, market makers love doing things by 3. What do y'all see right here? What do y'all see? After the last tap of that 100 EMA and a reversal, not a reversal, but a rejection. 1 drop, 2 drop, 3 drops right here. So like I told y'all before, it's already not going below this. Clearly, as we can see, and you see right here, where the close of these candles at, where it's at right now, boom. That is why it came back down here. So we should get nice reversal though, and we should definitely, hit right here. You see this green wick right there around 50,000. It'll be more like 51,000 in that general area, and that's when we should get a nice little, not really retracement, but we should come back down and bounce off this 50 EMA. And like I always tell y'all, gonna bounce off the EMA, and then it's gonna finally break through. Cause let me draw it out for y'all so I can see it, so it'll make more sense. Alright, cool. So this is how it's about to go. About to get a move up. Like I say, hit right there where that previous wick at. Come back down. The 50 should be around here somewhere. Then we'll go back up, and that's when we should finally break all the way out of this gap. So we talking about coming up here to around, at least I'll say around 50K. Keep it simple. Retracement. Has to have retracement. Bounce off the 100. The 100 should be around here. I'd probably say it could be anywhere between I'd say 55 to about 57. In that general area. That's what a 100 day should be by the time it actually making this move and not the rejection, but the retracement back down, because we have to bounce off this 100. And of course, everything else will follow. But this is what I'm expecting to look like. Something similar to this. Like I say, tap that. Then that'll be the second hit. Come back down. Come back up. Third hit. We're going to break through. And we go to our next point, which is up here. Like I mentioned, y'all see the right here. That doji. Every time you see a doji, that's a strong resistance line. So in this general area, like I say, we're going to get a spike up. Boom. Retracement. And we're going to repeat the same process, but we'll be in this zone. So we're going to wait, till we get in this zone, then we're going to see what's happening. So I'm going to repeat this again. Jump up to 51,000, retracement. Down probably around 49.50. Go right back up. Then we come out the gap around 58,000. Retracement off the 100. Don't know what the 100 going to be at around this time, so we're just looking for the break out the gap after we get this retracement right here. This is about to be the other fake out. This is how like I tell you, they love doing things by 3. So imagine you did decide to jump in right here, right? And then going up. And as soon as it start going down, right, are you not going to panic? That's not going to scare you. It's going to scare most people, and they're going to sell off even if it's a big loss. This is what they're doing. This is how they trick you and play mind games with you. But in all reality, it's going to move like this and bounce out this gap. So don't get scared. Because this is why they keep doing it, especially right there. Because you see this wick, they just did that to scare you and take everybody's stop losses and hop right back into the zone. But we see what they're doing, and I told y'all my projections. So, it should definitely be a reversal now. Because it's already 3 hits to the low. And they decided to go any more, because I already told y'all already, because we expecting that large run, towards the end of this month anyways. Like it always does. So it's got to make its way steadily back up to where it already was to actually break through and hit all-time highs at the end of December, beginning of January. That's what's about to happen here, and we about to witness it. But, during the next 2 weeks, we have to climb out this gap. And that's with all the coins. So, it's about to be a massive run with everything. Especially when you see it drop like that. Anytime you see it drop like that fast, it's going to be a fast move up. Whenever it do happen, it's going to happen middle of the night when you ain't paying attention. So yeah, that is Bitcoin for you. And y'all see the overall picture. And we finally about to be out of here, because this is also the pattern I mentioned. I always forget to draw it out, but that's a W, boom, retracement, and we about to break through. Cause this is what I was telling y'all before, in the previous video. well, a few videos about Bitcoin back because of this. This is our last high. That's one test to the high. This is two tests to the high. That's how I knew it had to retrace before it actually broke and went to the next level and made a move like this, like all greens. Like this is what we about to see. Because we already down and we have to come right back up. I mean, look how close, look how perfect that is right there. And if you keep looking at the rest of the whole chart, I mean, you'll see everything clear as day. But yeah, we definitely about to make a move like this on up. So, I mean, yeah. I see this thing about to be hitting 100K. This is the run everybody been waiting for. But, you know, everybody's scared right now at the same time. Because you got to think about it. You lose all that money, right? Well, I'm going to say the people that don't know what they're doing necessarily. You lose the money, and then when it's time for this next run, you don't have that much money to actually put back down. Then you might put that money that you do have down, and you end up with the same money you had right before the drop. That's how I usually work out, because they have our minds down packed. You just got to think backwards. Because what I just said should apply to a lot of people. You might put your money in, drop out, and it's like you always end up with the same amount of money or less every time. It's crazy how they work things out. But you got to work your way through it, man. Anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, you make your own decisions. But like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.